Chapter 1, Sets. Complement of a set. Let U be the universal set and A be the subset, then the complement of A, then the complement of A क्या होगा, is the set of all elements, set of all elements of universal set, set of all elements of universal set, and which are not in the set A. सेट ए के एलिमेंट्स नहीं होंगे, ओनली सेट यू यूनिवर्सल सेट के एलिमेंट्स होंगे, तो ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट यू कैन राइट एज यूनिवर्सल में से ए के एलिमेंट सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दीजिए. डिफरेंस सेट ऑफ यूनिवर्सल माइनस ए इज अ कॉम्प्लीमेंट सेट. मैथमेटिकली यू कैन राइट x such that x belongs to u and x not belongs to a. By Venn diagram you can see in rectangle this is universal set, this is a subset of universal set. So this is the shaded portion is the, leave these elements, all elements except A is a complement. It is a complement. It is denoted by a dash. Some properties are there. Properties A union A complement is equal to क्या आ जाएगा, यूनिवर्सल सेट. A intersection A complement is equal to phi. Phi complement is equal to universal set, and universal का complement लेंगे तो क्या आ जाएगा, null set. De Morgan law. This we can prove by taking a universal set, set A, set B. It is De Morgan law. A union B complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. A intersection B complement is equal to A complement union B complement. Now I will take exercise 1.5. Question first. See, let in question first, U is given to you 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. A is given to you 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. B is given to you 2 4 6 8. Even numbers 2 4 6 8. And C is given to you 3 4 5 6. 3 4 5 6. Find क्या क्या फाइंड करना है. नंबर 1 A complement, नंबर 3 A union C complement, and B minus C, sixth part, B minus C complement, C here A complement. So what is the definition of A complement? Universal set minus A. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 minus A 1 2 3 4. All elements of U के सारे elements and not elements of A. तो ए के सारे एलिमेंट्स इसमें से हटा दो, 2 हटा दो, 3 हटा दो, 1 2 3 4. So this is A complement. 5 6 7 8 9. This is A complement. Now I will take third part, A union C का complement. First I will take, this is what, universal set minus A union C. First I calculate A union C. A union C, what is A? 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, union C, what is C? 3 4 5 6, 3 4 5 6. What is A union C? All elements which is A and C. 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now what is A union C complement? It is U minus A union C. It is U is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 minus 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now complement means elements of first set, है ना. A union C वाले एलिमेंट्स इसमें से निकाल दीजिए. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So what is A union C complement is 1 2, it is 7 8 9, 7 8 9. This is the answer. Now third part. Now sixth part. See here, sixth part, B minus C complement. This means you have to difference from universal set B minus C. First you calculate B minus C. So what is B minus C? See here, B is 2 4 6 8, C is 3 4 5 6. So only the elements of first set, not in the set. So what is the elements left in first set? 4 is cancelled, 6 is cancelled. So 2, 8 is B minus C. Now B minus C का complement is universal minus B minus C. What is universal? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 minus B minus C. What is B minus C? 2, 8. So only the elements of universal set. So 2 and 8 not in the complement set, because we have to take except this. So the B minus C complement is, B minus C complement is 1 3 4 5 6 7 and 9. Question 2. If universal set is given to you, A B C D E F G H, A B C D E F G H, A B C D E F G H, find the complements of the following sets. So I will take second part. What is the complement of B? B set is given to you, D E F G. So what is B dash? U minus B. Universal set minus B. Only the जो complement होंगे उसमें कौन से एलिमेंट होंगे? केवल यूनिवर्सल सेट के एलिमेंट्स होंगे, और वो एलिमेंट्स होंगे जो B में B के एलिमेंट को छोड़ के. See here, A B C D E F G H minus D E F G. सो इसमें से कौन से एलिमेंट निकल जाएंगे? बी सेट वाले एलिमेंट्स निकल जाएंगे, डी ई एफ जी. सो बी कॉम्प्लीमेंट इज ए बी सी एंड एच. दिस इज बी कॉम्प्लीमेंट. Now I will take fourth part, d complement. You can calculate d complement is u minus d. So what is d? Here d is given to you FGHA. So what is universal element? A B C D E F G H minus F G H A. F निकल जाएगा, G निकल जाएगा, H निकल जाएगा, A निकल जाएगा. So B C D E. This is D complement. This is D complement. Now I will take question number 3rd. See here, taking the set of natural numbers, taking the set of क्या दिया है आपको? Set of natural numbers, that is n. Set of natural numbers is given. Write down the complement of the following set. Write the complement of following set. Write complement of following set. Write complement of following set. First is given to you. Suppose I take first part, x such that x is an even natural number. Even natural number. It is given in set builder form. Even natural number. So set of natural number n क्या हो जाएगा? 1 2 3 4 5. So what is the complement of this? What is the complement of this? Suppose what is the complement of this? X such that x is not an even natural number. Even natural number नहीं होएगा, मतलब odd number 1 3 5 dash 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 dash. Okay. Now I will take sixth part. See here, x such that x is a perfect square. Is a perfect square. What is complement? X such that x is not a perfect square. Now 8th part, you will see 8th part. Set is given to you x such that x plus 5 is equal to 8. तो कौन सा है इस सेट में? कौन सा एलिमेंट है? x plus 5 is equal to 8. It means x is equal to 3. Only 3 is the element. So इसका complement क्या होगा? Complement is x such that x सारे नेचुरल नंबर and x not equals to 3. 3 को छोड़ के सारे नेचुरल नंबर, इसका क्या कहलाएगा? कॉम्प्लीमेंट. One more of this type I will take. X such that x ninth I will take x such that 2x plus 5 is equal to 9. 2x plus 5. What is the complement of this? So 2x plus 5 यानी कि 2x is equal to 4. 2x plus 5 is equal to 9. So 5 इधर चला गया. x is equal to 2. तो इसके कॉम्प्लीमेंट क्या होगा? x such that x belongs to n and x not equals to 2. Question number 4. Universal set is given to you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And A is given to you 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. B is given to you 2, 3, 5, 7. 2, 3, 5, 7. वेरीफाई करना है. वेरीफाई नंबर 1, A union B complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. Second, you have to verify A intersection B complement is equal to A complement union B complement. This is De Morgan's law. Now start first. This is the first part. A union B complement is equal to A complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. Now I will take left hand side. A union B complement. A union B complement is equal to universal set minus A union B. So what is universal set? First I have to calculate A union B. A union B निकाल दीजिए. What is A? 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. Union B 2, 3, 5, 7. So A union B is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So A union B complement is equal to universal set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 माइनस अभी अपन ने A यूनियन B निकाला क्या है 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is complement? Only the first set elements which not in second set. So 2 हट जाएगा 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are the elements of A union B. So remaining elements is what? 1, 9. This is A union B complement. This is A union B complement. Now I will take right hand side. Right hand side. Now right hand side is A complement intersection B complement. A intersection A complement intersection B complement. Now first I have to find A complement and B complement. So what is A complement? First I will find A complement, that is U minus A. So universal set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. What is A? 2, 4, 6, 8. So leave this 2, 4, 6, 8. So what is the remaining elements of first set? 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. What is B complement? B complement is U minus universal minus B. So what is universal? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 minus B. What is B? 2, 3, 5, 7. So leave 2, 3, 5, 7 will cut. So B complement is equal to 1, 4, 6, 8, 9. 1, 4, 6, 8, 9. Now I have to find A complement intersection B complement. So A complement intersection B. So what is the value of A complement? A complement is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Intersection 1, 4, 6, 8, 9. 1, 4, 6, 8, 9. 1, 4, 6, 8, 9. Now see, A complement intersection B complement is equal to, what is common? 1 common and 9 common. So the elements are 1, 9. You can see that left hand side is 1, 9. This is, and right hand side is also 1, 9. So we can verify De Morgan's first law. Question number 5. Draw appropriate Venn diagram. Draw Venn diagram. Number 1. A union B complement. Second, A intersection A complement intersection B complement. Third, A intersection B complement. Fourth, A union B complement. We know that the diagram of these two is same. We know that by De Morgan's law. Just now I will prove it. A union B complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. So the diagram of these two is, this is a universal set in the rectangle. This is a set A, this is a set B. So you have to write A union B complement. यूनियन के एलिमेंट्स को आप छोड़ दीजिए. This is now these two. We know that by De Morgan law, A intersection B complement is equal to A union B. Now the diagram of this is universal set U. This is A set, this is B set. What is the intersection element? This is the intersection elements. This portion, you leave it. So, this is the Venn diagram of this. A इंटरसेक्शन B एलिमेंट्स को आप छोड़ दीजिए, बाकी सारे यूनिवर्सल सेट के एलिमेंट्स क्या हो जाएंगे? A इंटरसेक्शन B कॉम्प्लीमेंट या A कॉम्प्लीमेंट यूनियन B कॉम्प्लीमेंट. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. If A is the set of all triangles, A is the set of all triangles, at least one angle different from 60 degree. What is A? Is the set of all elements at least one angle different. So what is the A complement? A complement is set of all equilateral triangle. Question number 7. Fill in the blanks. We know that A union A complement is always a universal set. Phi complement intersection A is always a set. A complement A intersection sets. Today we will do practical problems on union and intersection of two sets. Practical problems on union and intersection of set. Suppose A set has A, B, C, D. How many elements in this? 4 elements in this. So how will you represent these elements? Na is equal to 4. ये इसको लिखने का तरीका है, नंबर ऑफ, इसको बोलते हैं cardinal number. Now, if A and B are two finite sets, then the properties of cardinal set is, number 1, you can write A union B is equal to number of elements in A, number of elements in B minus and A intersection B. If A and B are disjoint sets, अगर A and B क्या हो, disjoint sets हो, तो A intersection B क्या हो जाएगा, null set हो जाएगा 5. तो A union B क्या बन जाएगा, Na plus Nb. In this way you can find the value of A and B. Now if 3 sets are there, if A and A comma B C are 3 sets, then what is the property? And A union B union C is equal to, you can write Na Nb plus Nc minus Na intersection B and B intersection C minus N C intersection A plus तीनों का intersection. This you can find by Venn diagram also. So I will take first problem of exercise 1.6. एक प्रॉब्लम लेते हैं. Question number first. If X and Y are two sets such that number of elements in X is equal to 17, number of elements in Y is equal to 23, and number of elements in X union Y is equal to 38, find number of elements in X intersection Y. Now simple, we have to apply the formula of X union Y. So we can write, we know that X union Y is equal to number of element in X, number of element in Y minus intersection of X intersection Y. So putting the values, X union Y, number of elements 38, number of element in X 17, in Y 33, now X union Y. 38 is equal to 40 minus X intersection Y. So transpose it, इसको इधर ले आइए और इसको इधर ले जाइए, and X intersection Y is equal to 40 minus 38 is equal to 2. So in this way we can use X union Y. Now another question, number 2 of your book. If X and Y are two sets, again X and Y are two sets, and number of elements X union Y is given to 18. X has 8 elements. X has 8 elements. Y has 15 elements. Y has 15 elements. How many element does X intersection Y? This you have to find out. Question mark. This you have to find out. Same question. It is same question as first. Now apply the formula, and x union y is equal to nx plus ny minus nx intersection y, and x union y is equal to 18 nx 8 ny 15 minus nx intersection y. Now 18 plus this you transpose here and इसको उधर ले जाइए, x intersection y, it is 23 minus 18 is equal to 5. This is the answer. Question number 3. In a group of 400 people, how many people in a group? 400. 250 can speak Hindi and 250 can speak English. How many people can speak Hindi and English? So H represent Hindi and E represent English. So total is given to you 400. Now people can speak Hindi. It is 250. People can speak English 200. 200. You have to find people can speak Hindi and English both common. So you have to find intersection. Now you can apply, and we know that H union E is equal to N of H plus N of E minus N H intersection E. Now you can see that 400 is equal to Hindi 250 plus English 200 minus H union H intersection, इसको इधर ले जाइए, इसको उधर ले जाइए, तो N H intersection E is equal to 450 minus 400 is equal to 50. Now I will take question number 5. Fourth is homework. 5 I will take. If X and Y are two sets such as X has 40 elements, X and Y are two sets X has 40 elements, X union Y has 60 elements, X union Y has 60 elements, and X intersection Y has 10 elements. X intersection Y is equal to 10 elements. How many elements does Y have? You have to find the number of elements in Y. Same formula we can use. We know that X union Y is equal to Nx plus Ny minus Nx intersection Y. Now X union Y is equal to 60 is equal to Nx 40, Ny don't know, minus 10. So it is 60 is equal to 40 minus 10. It becomes 30 plus Ny. This 30 will come that side. So number of elements in Y is equal to 60 minus 30 is equal to 30. Question 7. Question 7. In a group of 65 people, 40 like cricket, and 10 like both cricket and tennis. So there are two games, cricket, it is C, tennis T. So total number of people in cricket and tennis is given to you 65. 40 like cricket, 10 like both cricket and tennis, 10 like both. how many like tennis only? How many like tennis only? Only tennis. Only tennis. And how many like only tennis but not cricket? Now see here, and first we will calculate only tennis and cricket. Suppose I will explain you with Venn diagram. This is cricket, this is tennis. So when you have to find only this intersection is only tennis, it is only tennis, and tennis but not cricket. Only tennis but not cricket. So NC union T is equal to NC plus NT minus NC intersection T. NC union T is 65 is equal to NC plus NC कितना दिया है क्रिकेट 40 प्लस टेनिस कितना है डोंट नो, इसमें क्रिकेट भी इंक्लूड है ओके, माइनस इंटरसेक्शन 10. So 65 is equal to 40 plus 40 minus 10, 30 plus tennis. Okay. So it is 30 and इसको उधर ले जाइए. Tennis is equal to 65 minus 30 is equal to 35. So this implies tennis is equal to 36. This is tennis. This is only tennis. Tennis is इसमें इंक्लूड क्या है क्रिकेट भी है, इसमें ये पार्ट भी इंक्लूड है. इसमें से कॉमन निकाल देंगे तो क्या आ जाएगा एन सी इंटरसेक्शन टी क्या है 10 and total is how much? Total is 35. 35 में से ये 10 निकाल दीजिए. ये टोटल 35 में ये 10 है और ये टोटल कितना है 35. 35 में से 10 गया कितना है 25. So only tennis is कितना आ जाएगा. टेनिस में से अपन ने इंटरसेक्शन कर दिया सब्ट्रैक्ट. इट इज 35 minus 10 is equal to 25. 35 minus 10 is equal to 25. This is tennis. ये जो है इसमें क्रिकेट भी खेल रहे हैं कुछ बच्चे, इसमें ओनली टेनिस कितने हैं 25. ओके. नाउ आई विल डू क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. Question 8. See in the book. Question 8. In a committee, 50 people like French and 20 speak Spanish and 10 speak both Spanish and French. How many people can at least one of these? So there are two types of language. Spanish is denoted by S, French is F. So 50 people can speak French, 20 can speak Spanish and 10 speak both. 10 speak both. How many speak at least French and Union? So F union S निकालना है. So simple NF union S is equal to NF plus Spanish minus intersection. So union S कितना है? You have to find NF is 50, NS 20 minus NF intersection S. इसको उधर ले जाइए and intersection F is given to you 10. सो फ्रेंच, एटलीस्ट फ्रेंच एंड स्पेनिश वाले कितने हो गए? 70 - 10 = 60।